Hi there and welcome to Noca. In this video, we're going to show you how you can create an app that has a file viewer in it to view files dynamically from whatever system you're working with. So the first thing we do is we start with a prompt. In this one, I use a very simple prompt: create app with invoice fields on the left and file viewer on the right. And that's what we got here, a app where on the left-hand side, we have our invoice fields, and those fields are going to come from whatever system we're working with. And on the right, we've got our PDF document, which is being viewed here in the file viewer. So let me show you how we set this up. After we get the app ready to go, we go over to events and we need to decide how we want this to operate. If we had lots of different buttons here, we could have on-click actions for those buttons where it would show maybe the opportunity invoices related to accounts or something like that. For this one where I'm just showing one, so I just did it on load, and let me show you what that looks like. So we have here an on load flow. It starts with the API node for that app, and where it brings the information from that app, it brings the application and the page. And then what I did is I read an opportunity from Salesforce. And as you can see, I just read that opportunity. Then I read the related files from Salesforce, and we can choose all first, set limit. We can set conditions on these files. And then I did component mapping. And this is where I actually map the information from these nodes where I just read into the app itself. So I add here my fields, and I have different fields that I can add here. You'll see in a second. First things we do is we add fields. So I added file name, the file itself, and the invoice number, the name, and the client name. And then we map these fields. So for the things I want to map from the actual invoice, from the opportunity in Salesforce, we use the read opportunity node and we just map those in. And for the related files, then we can map in the version data, for example, which you can find right down here, version data, and that's going to be our file itself. Here it is, version data, and the title. And once that's done, all we do is make our flow go live. We can click go, it will go live. And once that's committed there, then we will go ahead and save that to our project, and then we can preview it and see what happens. Great, the project's been published. Now, if it says save here, it means you need to save it. For this one, I already saved it, and now we can run it and take a look. So here it is. We've got our information coming here from Salesforce. As you can see, it's bringing this PDF and it's bringing the information next to it. And that's how we do it here at Noca. So if you'd like to build an app with us, come and check out our page and feel free to ask us for some help. Thanks for watching.